There are many factors that drive change in organizations. This table highlights 6 of them. The nature of the workforce can be a force for change. In the United States, the labor force is more diverse and older than it's ever been before, and organizations must adapt to increased immigration and the tendency to outsource work and work with external consultants, independent contractors, and so on. Technological advancements change job requirements and job qualifications, which then changes human resource policies and practices like recruitment, selection, training, performance management. More and more people are using computers and smart devices at work. Social networking sites can have an impact on organizational behavior. Changes to the economy and global events can drive changes in organizations. The rise and fall of the global housing market, the financial sector collapse, and the global recession all have had an impact on how organizations operate today. Competition is another force for change. Organizations today have to compete with companies all over the world. Mergers, acquisitions, and consolidations have implications for employees. The government's regulation of commerce impacts business as well. Social trends are yet another force for change. Companies are influenced by an increase in environmental awareness, attitudes toward members of the LGBTQA+ community, the trend of doing more with less and connecting with other people through our smart devices spill over into the workplace and can impact people's behaviors, but also the organization's goals or operations. The final force for change in the table is world politics. The decisions made by our world leaders certainly play a role in the decisions made by organizations. People all over the globe are concerned about the cost of basic health care. People are wary of authority figures, which includes CEOs and top executives, and even the opening of new markets in different parts of the world. At any given moment, all of these examples could be influencing what is going on in an organization, driving different changes.